Everything that we'd ever dreamed, when we think about why we do what we do, we dream about bursting the home wide open, making the outside come in. This is why people moved to Casey Key. The vision was to be in the canopies. This is the house in the trees.
They want the least amount of obstruction they can have and see the most water or beach. If you don't have impact windows, then you got to do some type of hurricane shutter. All the jobs I do, we use impact. The unique thing about Origin is when you're talking the amount of glass and it's impact and it's very heavy, when you can put the weight on the floor rather than try to hang it, it's just a win situation.
Pretty much every door system you're ever going to see, that corner post is going to be fixed. Go ahead, do that finger latch and turn that corner post around. So, I mean, it's one thing to have a floating corner, which is in and of itself a feat of engineering. So having the Origin doors where you can have all the weight on the bottom and you still get the flush inside to outside track, you just bury that into the ground and then you don't have any column here whatsoever. We've got finger-safe gaskets, so if you're in a rush and you happen to get your finger stuck in there, you're in good shape. These are super soft. They also double up as weatherproofing. So when you pick the glass here, you're not just picking something that's hurricane resistant, but also with a low E coating, which is technical for it just stops the sun coming in. We've got a thermal break here in the aluminum so that it stays cool in here, it doesn't bake. That sun, as it beats down on the glass, it rebounds back out again. So I'm putting my hand on the glass, putting my hand on the metal, and it's cool in here. When we have our conversations, we look at why Origin exists. It's to transform the way people enjoy their home. When the family who own this property come in and they're entertaining and there's kids running around everywhere, that's why we make products that we do.